Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how to protect sensitive data in your Express.js application using environment variables. So it is not smart to hard code sensitive informations like API keys or any kind of other data in your source code, because then they might get leaked, or yeah, somebody who has really experience in these topics, they can exploit this and access them. So this is why you need to use environment variables. I have created an env.js. Normally you create a file called .env, where you have store your environment variables. So in case you are in production, you should not rely on your .env file, because the environment variables should be stored by your server or service provider like Railway or Fly.io. They can store variables like that. But in case you are in development, this is still fine. You can use the module .env config to access your .env file and access your environment variables. But yeah, in production, the cloud provider should store them securely and yeah, use them. The .env file should only exist local, and yeah, you should never commit them. For example, in GitHub, when you have a version control like them, store them in a so-called git ignore file, or define in your git ignore file that you want to ignore the .env file and don't upload that. You can access your variables like with process.env and then the name of the variable, and you can store them in other variables, so you can access them like that. So in case anyone gets access to your source code, they cannot read out what database host is, for example. What you also should avoid is logging yeah, you should avoid logging sensitive informations. This is also very dangerous. Only store them when you are in the development environment. Never log them when you are in a production environment. So keep that in mind, and yeah, don't